हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के पेपर 2 के बारे में। सीबीएसई नेट 2017। नंबर ऑफ वर्किंग डेज ऑफ नेशनल लाइब्रेरी ऑफ इंडिया इन अ ईयर इज 362 days. Lodka's law deals with the productivity of authors in the terms of scientific papers. The large volume of high velocity, complex and variable data are termed as big data. Sony unveiled the first Blu-ray disc prototypes in October 2000. ISO 26320 colon 2012 is standard for the DOI. ISO 2108 standard is related with the International Standard Book number. The Brown charging system does not include reader's ticket, date slip, book card and transaction slip. So right answer is transaction slip. In CC 1, used for Unity, God, World, first in evolution extra as a seminal mnemonics. Identify the mode of formation of the subject agriculture of corn, that is lamination. The number of successive characteristics forming the basis of its derivation from the universe of knowledge is known as the order of an array. What is the third part of CC? That is classic and sacred books. Subject entry which refer from the name of a class to its class number is known as the class index entry. The license for accessing the Europa World of Learning online is available through Routledge, Taylor and Francis. What is periodicity of Annals of Library and Information Studies published by the NISCAR India? That is quarterly. Facet Publishing is the division of Chartered Institute of Library and Information Professional, who differentiated information and knowledge in the following way. That is, information is piecemeal, fragmented, particular, whereas knowledge is structural, coherent and universal. By F. Machlup and U. Mansfield. Which of the following key terms of reference assigned to National Knowledge Commission constituted in June 2005 under ANKC terms of reference is assigned to National Knowledge Commission constituted in June 2005 under the chairmanship of Sam Pitroda for preparing a blueprint to reform knowledge related institutions and their infrastructure. That is ACDN correct. So build excellence in education system and increase India's competitive advantage in the field of the knowledge. Then promote creation of knowledge in science and technology labs and improve management of institutions engaged in IPR activities. And last, promote knowledge application in agriculture and industry and use of knowledge capabilities in making government effective, transparent and accountable. 18. In which of the following places the journal offices of Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation are located? In Delhi and Mumbai. Which of the following can be used to measure the research output of an individual? That is H index and G index. Identify from the following the silver halide process used in a cryptography. That is exposure, developing and rinsing. Identify the type of metadata held by displays for archiving contents. That is descriptive, structural and administrative. Which of the following are special auxiliary subdivisions of UDC? That is apostrophe and point not. What are the constituent elements of Siemens flow chart that are the components of management system? That is planning, motivating and innovating. Which of the following are the characteristics of not-for-profit organization according to Edward G. Evans? That is financial source derived from outside funding source rather than from sales of the services. Then organizations are public rather than private. Funding prefers for collaborative projects. 25th, which of the following are the criteria for defined open standard in W3C? The right answer is transparency and impartiality, then availability and openness, then security and preservation. A blog usually provides a commentary on a particular subject, a personal online diary, and an online brand advertising of a particular individual or the company. Which of the following are the pillars of information literacy according to Sconnell? 7 pillars of information literacy. B. Gather. C. Identify. And D. Manage. Identify from the following the digital library projects were implemented by CDAC agency Noida. That is print your own book, mobile digital library, and creation of digital library of books in President House. Which of the following are the objective of Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation? That is to act a clearing house and to promote library movement. Identify the sequence of the title and statement of responsibility area from the following. That is title proper, then general material designation, then parallel title, and last statement of the responsibility. Arrange the following according to the year of the origin or publication. Pareto principle, Postcop, cause and effect diagram, and last MBO. Arrange the following Public Library Act according to the year of the enactment. That is Goa Public Library Act, Gujarat Public Library Act, Rajasthan Public Library Act, and last Chhattisgarh Public Library Act. Match the following. Sample is related with the cluster, variable with the height and weight, range with the difference in score distribution, standard deviation related with the square root of the variance. Basic research, pile of the library science. Applied research, use of measurement technique in library sciences. Action research, problem of gaps in periodical collection in JNU library. Survey research, use of library in public school in Delhi. Match the following states with the corresponding e-government initiative. Kerala, Akshaya, MP, Dar, Gyandut, Maharashtra, Information Junction, and West Bengal, Banglar, MOOC. Web of the Science, Thomson Returns, Web Junction, OCLC, Scopus, Elsewhere, Science Finder, Chemical Abstract Service. Match the following ABCD. That is Brazil, Koha, New Zealand, Webley's, Poland, Evergreen, Georgia. Library finance, source of income and expenditure, non-planned grant, regular grant, non-recurring grant, funds given for building infrastructure and machinery, planned grant, funds given for the project under annual 5-year plan. 100 in mark. Main entry personal name. 110, that is main entry corporate name. 111 for the main entry meeting name, and last 130 for the main entry uniform title. There is a connection between the concept of uncertainty and relevance in IR. Reason, in IR both uncertainty and relevance are totally ruled out as a part of query matching. A is true but R is false. Electronic indexing and abstracting service are not advantages over the print. Reason, electronic indexing work on much the same principle as print. A is false but R is true. The efforts of contemporary libraries in using static A to Z list as a part of their ERM system to facilitate access for users who wanted to limit their searches to e-content has failed to yield result. Reason, such lists maintained locally are by necessity more detailed and elaborate as increase of titles made the maintenance of such a list more labor intensive and complicated. Both are false. Library contributes to capacity building which is essential to community development. Reason, library programs and services can influence person's desire for lifelong learning which is an important component of the capacity building. Both are true. A collaborative culture is an important condition for knowledge transfer between individual. Reason: knowledge transfer do not require individual to come together to interact, exchange and share ideas and knowledge with one another. A is true but R is false. A Right to Information Act in India mandates timely response to citizen requests for information sought. Reason: the basic object of the Right to Information Act is to empower the citizens, promote transparency and accountability. A is true but R is A is false but R is true. One of the 6 defining characteristics of serious leisure is spirit of the community. One of the 3 main types of serious leisure is hobbies, which is not one of the 8 renewable benefits of serious leisure, that is unique ethos. The word serious is the phrase serious leisure expresses the idea of the sincerity. A temporary reward comes from the project based leisure. Thank you.